Boy, when we start this business, you know, man, I think things would have better. But life just get rough. Look how long my light cut off and I can't put the hand back. Hello?
Yo, Brave.
Yes, my brother.
3 weeks now, give me 6 man no star. Have it ready.
Yeah, man, you want to get it in time, man.
You
Let
get
me
pay
not
everything
tell you,
already,
man.
you know.
Yeah, go get it, man. Trust
Yo,
me,
time
man.
is up the essence star. See?
I'm on it even now as we speak, man. Yes, man, you go get it in time, man.
Yeah, man, make sure I come pick up that. Have it ready. And no more 6 to 9, see? Yeah, man, serious thing, no joke business.
Even Stiffy me work and I can't pay him. The only solution I know is to go check the one Russian. Yo, Stiffy, soon come. I got hold a haircut and go deal with that thing.
Yes, boss.
You know a little bit.
All right, my boss.
I think I'm lazy. I think I'm lazy. Nobody likes me. Nobody likes me. Just because I'm lazy. Nothing my granny don't like me. I think I'm lazy. I think I'm lazy. Nobody don't likes me. Just because I'm lazy. Nothing my granny don't like me.
Check the one Russian. And that gonna be another problem. But while there is a will, there must be a way.
Rasta the one cause them a try conquer, we protected by the king. Them a wolf in a sheep clothing. 666 them holding, them one put them coding. So tell the shepherd protect the sheep them every day and night. Look out for the wolf, them not the flock, cause them a parasite. Them motivists divide and rule and school. Fool the Israelite, mislead and stampede them equal. Justice and them rights. Emancipate yourself from mental slavery, that Bob Marley say. Tell the for preachers and teachers and leaders, them fi quit. We not here, so we not listen. None of them must say they are the biggest culprit on the pulpit. Could they? I hear them yapping and them rapping, chopping and them plotting to overthrow the budget, but that could never happen. Them surprise or we rise and left them eyes popping. Up there fool fi catch wise with disguise and we chopping. But I will never give the power to a ballad guy to crucify.
Russian!
Forward.
Yeah, sir, Russian.
Yes, I walk one.
Sorry for the last minute thing, boss, but me now want like a situation. Over a month now, my light cut off. The light man them running for me. A $350,000 man them want to take off for me to put on back the light. But a good thing Stiffy know one of them and we settle for $75,000 to put it on back. That's why I come link here, you know.
How much?
But 150G would have good, cause me have some other little thing in the shop and I want to deal it too.
Alright. Remember, when it come to my money, me no play. Everything are insurance. Your car, your business,
You're good, man. You're good, man. Everything good, man. Yeah, man. So a 1 week time and you know you'll get back that. Respect. Don't worry yourself, man. Everything good, man. Respect.
Yeah, brave. Remember, 60% per mind here, sir.
Yes, man. You're good, man. Boy, all this me go clean up and things that the man would have. But if men just go like ragamuffin, probably you would not deal with me better than this, man. 60%.
And them righteous cut a liar than teeth. Them take your hand out of the little boy brief them. Rat race, we not in a no rat race. So tell pedophile fi move and come out of we face. We know one no devil advocate the pan the base. Selassie I alone we embrace. Judgment yo, them say them righteous then out them sufficient.
Stiffy. Why me you done it?
Yeah, man. Me done here now, man.
Yeah, man. Full time and all. Good while you're there on it.
Yeah, it complete me, boss.
Alright, sir. Alright, here what? When you get a chance, you clean up a white pickup there for me. Because Mr. Breda come pick it up this evening. Him say 5 o'clock he might come pick it up.
But boss, me check the money. And only 2 weeks. And 3 weeks you should have pay me for. Plus me never put the flat screen in it.
Just bear with me for a little while, man. Me soon pay you up. Plus, the light people them for come. And come put on back the light because I just paid the bill this morning.
Full time now. Over 9 months now, we can't use the compressor or the power tool.
How this?
Boy, I'm sharp.
Look like him had a morning special.
You mean rum and boom? Him junk.
Oh, maybe you're the light man.
Hello, Daddy. Who is Mr. Wally?
Who asking?
I have a very important package from Mr. Mendes, from Mr. Wally.
I me this man.
Show me some proof, no, man. Or we will say you this. Hold this, the boss of me give. Yes, if you tell us, say, your daddy was only farmer in a Beverly State town. Good working partner, him say. You have things set aside. Your dad, train dead. In boss say, you think you deserve it. Say when you reach, go to Gully. And pass the bees back to them. Use the map, just use the map.
You did right. The man junk like a bat.
Killer! Killer beast.
Here what? This man say him boss give him this for give me. Say him and my daddy are a good friend. But me never hear my daddy talk nothing good about Mr. Mendes. But people can change still, you know. You know a place named Steertown, River Gully.
Yeah, man. You know a place, a virgin when you know the
So
place
give him a
too.
call now.
Hello. Chin. Wagwan. Wagwan with you.
Bridging, I saw music me there rehearse, you know. And then business me I try get into, you know. You know, link up.
Anyhow, big man thing. You know Bellevue in a Steertown.
Yeah, man. I want dangerous place that a bridging. Them place them no go bridging.
That's why I call you.
Pay killer bees over them place, the man.
You are the only man in the years to pass them tracks there.
We want over them place a bridging.
Yeah, what? If we link up down a Billowalk, Wednesday morning, 7:30, I will show you the fullness.
Alright? It sound like something great to go on, man. But killer bees them, you have to go brave.
Alright.
Where the man there? At 8 o'clock now.
The man don't know time, man. 7:30, me tell the man.
So when there?
See me come there.
Sorry,
You
my brother.
late, bridging. Where I come from so late, man?
Sorry, dude. Sleep way.
The man will show you fullness, Rasta. Wheels will go Rasta.
So you what? We have a thing for go find on a river gully. We have to go try that now.
Good work, you know.
Boy, you know the place.
Me have a bridge and have a ground over here, so, you know.
Now put some water on them plant there, you know. To the garden, stay off the street. Make we go plant it. Good food to eat. I tell us your
See a
food not
Rasta
deal, you
over
know.
farm, yeah.
Yeah, man.
Where I say Rasta? Progress.
Whoa, chin.
Where I say?
Long time no see, you know.
You know, say me I walk with them and I go down a river gully.
Eh?
But me not sure about the pass again in a Rasta.
The pass. Yeah, what? A 2 pass. And you can't take any one of them. Remember, me no want none of them, you know. But remember the killer bees.
Killer
them.
bees them. When you hear the word bridging, how them bite up again?
Waza.
Enough respect,
Protection.
man.
You hear, brother? Take care. Rastafari. Farm is a farmer. Nobody
Right,
farm,
mosquito
no fool
wicked.
round ya.
How far, Ras?
Where them man
How
them
far we have to
searching?
go?
How they up to?
Mosquito them wicked out there.
Mosquito. Why won't you leave me alone? I want to break your bone.
How far, Rasta?
Good work, you know. Killer bees in the right up the Rasta. We'll pass them and no. No touch on the box them
Alright,
and
sir.
nothing.
Boy,
No
I
screw
like
past them.
bees in a Rasta. Yo, hear the brother.
Alright, easy you know. Watch you know, easy. We'll pass the killer bees them now.
You, a real killer bees them there. Shh. Yo, watch it, take your time, man. Yo, we can't pass back here, so. Shh. Yo, how good you know them man there? Come in and trust them man there in a bridging.
A good boy, man.
You know him
Me
good?
know him, man. A good boy, man.
Alright.
See we come up on the 2 road and now where the man tell
This
about.
one look like a better one still, you know. This one look wider.
The scripture tell you say, you know, the broad road lead to destruction, you know. Narrow road might be rocky, but it lead to glory. So make we take the
This
narrow
one look
road.
better, brother. This one look wider.
Glory we are go.
Bridging, I don't want to take. It's simple enough, but make sure you no drop.
far we have left to go, Rasta? Alright, the place is slippery and hard to climb.
Simple and steep, no blow out.
For real, for real.
I it a lead with the glory.
Well, make we go a glory then, no? The journey long. It's slippery and a blow out.
We're supposed to get closer now, man. Yeah, man, I hope that we hear some, man.
Yeah, man, it look like I eat this.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, I hope that's so.
Yeah, man, you see the mark.
Watch your step.
Yeah, man, right round us, man.
Some more, some
See
more.
there?
You want to see the map, right?
Yeah, man, I hope that's so, man.
Give me the last.
So you go on, you know, man, because I ain't nothing with them bees there, you know.
And we run these,
Boy, I'm
man.
afraid I kill a bee them, you know.
Yes, we find something, you know.
Don't let me see it now. Wow, we find the thing, man.
Yeah, let me see it now.
Why, we see what I go on, you know.
See it, boy, we lucky, yeah.
Eh?
Nobody no move. Yo, Rasta, where you try?
Fire from Babylon gun, I'm not afraid of them thing there. No shoot me, yes, and no shoot me.
Stiffy, I can't believe you do this, you know. Imagine, I promise you would have share it.
Shut up. Time up. Put them in
Stiffy,
my
I
bag.
can't believe you, brother. The Bible says, the judge a tree by its fruit. When me looking at the street, me see what you produce. Me hear what you say, and me see what you do. I'm not saying nothing consistent between the two. Although you lied to me, I would have never lied to you. You tell me half truth, and that's what good liars do. And if your God inspire you to rob and shoot, and that's your fruit, then which God inspire you?
Hey, Brave. Shut up. You lucky you not get one of this.
Don't shoot me here, sir. Please, I beg you, man. Don't shoot me here, sir. Cause you call me and come deal with me that, like this.
Shut up.
Just true, them no want see you prosper. You help them, but them say you never master. Them no want see you fat, them on your marker. Bad mind and eat no fan water. So careful where you left your son and daughter. Cause dirty mind and no love in a them hearts. I take everything, want turn you in a papa. But bunny fire hot like lava. Make them run fast like bolt and asa.
You pass by a killer bees, man, you know, man. Quiet.
Them boy, they are fear, them no want bad mind, they are enough. You see they enough, you have to be careful everywhere. Bad mind, they enough. You see they enough, you have to be careful.
Easy, man, no shooting.
Why, let me go take a shortcut run and try to hit them out run it. Chin! 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 Young Wally, sorry for do you this. So the powder will just fly up in your face. It start take effect by the time you finish reading this note. But your father and me was partner and him do me wrong. Him died before me could have get to pay him back. Can't catch Quaco, you catch him short. It never have to end this way at all.